What's up, guys? How are you? So I wanted to eat chicken pickle, guys. So since we can't get it here, I decided to make it on my own. So I was searching for some good recipes on YouTube, and I found this one. The channel name is Vismai Food, and then so I wanted to make chicken pickle through that recipe, and then but there is a small twist here. We are not making like in a small amounts, maybe like around 500 grams or 1 kg like that. We are making like around 10 kgs. So yeah, what you heard is right. Yeah, we are making like around 10 kgs. So I don't want to waste much of your time. So what are we waiting for? Let's go. Okay, we have ginger here and garlic. Well, 5 kgs of bone. Okay. 4-5 pieces in time. Set. We have 5 kgs of boneless chicken, equal quantities. And now it's time to wash the chicken thoroughly. Use turmeric while washing, guys. It gives, it's good. Sigue faster. First, we have to dehydrate the chicken, guys, so that we use salt and turmeric, and then after that it will be easy for frying. Most of the people fry directly, but according to that recipe, first we have to dehydrate it, and then later we'll fry the chicken. Oh, well, guys, actually the chicken started boiling, and it may take like around maybe 1 hour minimum. And then, by the way, today the climate is super awesome here. Let me show you, just a minute. What should I say? Cool climate and spicy pickle is the deadliest combination ever. Seriously. So let's get back to work then. You can see the chicken started releasing water.
कर स्टार्ट.
We use 5 liters of oil, perfect measurement. I add garlic and dry red chillies, guys, so that the oil will get the flavor. I mean, it's my addition. It's up to you. It's your wish. You can add or you can leave it.
Got?
You can see the chicken is partially fried. Now it is, yeah. This is how it should be fried, guys. I mean, completely dehydrated. Only, you see, all this is fried chicken. Nearly half kg of ginger garlic paste. I mean, it is a perfect measurement according to recipe. This is the indication for the paste is boiled. Now we add the one which we fried before, chilies and garlic. Well, now it's time to add chicken, guys. అప్పుడే స్లో కలిపి 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 At this point, you can turn off the stove, guys. I am transferring it into a large bowl. Let it cool down completely. After that, we'll add lemon juice to it. Okay guys, you should add lemon juice only when it is completely cooled. Mix it thoroughly. And then rest it for 2 days.